Changing the language in the Hotels.com app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the Hotels.com app. Launch the Hotels.com app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account for a seamless experience. Step 2. Access account settings. Look for the profile icon or menu option, usually located at the bottom or top of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find language preferences. Within the account settings, scroll down until you find the language or language preferences option. Tap on it to view available languages. Step 4. Select your preferred language. Browse through the list of languages and select the one you want to use. The app may prompt you to confirm your selection. Step 5. Restart the app. After changing the language, close the app completely and reopen it. This ensures that the new language settings take effect throughout the app. Now you can enjoy browsing and booking hotels in your preferred language. Happy travels!